We're recording. Alright, I'm gonna vlog a little bit. It's a beautiful day. It's raining. It's actually really cold autumn. And I worked this noon. I just finished work actually. I did delivery. I waited for 2 hours and I got one order, €5. After tax it will be only 4. So yeah, pretty miserable noon, lunchtime. And tonight we're probably gonna get a lot of orders though. Sunday night is busier usually. Lunchtime not much, especially when the weather is terrible. People are going to churches. And yesterday I shot a vlog video with the A7S II, and sometimes I just forget how good that camera is. It's a beautiful video camera, and editing S-Log is just so fun. Grading S-Log footage is so fun, and yeah, I love it. Really enjoy shooting with the A7S II, and especially we have very short days right now, so it's really useful. It comes in handy when you have A7S II. You can shoot low light footage with no problem at all. It's super fun. So the only one thing I want to complain is the usability of the camera. Like if you want to adjust the focus point, it's kind of a little bit nuisance. You have to go into the autofocus menu and then select the flexible point, and then you can select the focus point instead of using, you know, on a GH5 for example. You can just use the joystick or touch screen. It's so much easier. I'm so spoiled by GH5 in the past year, and going back to A7S II, I just feel like it's so frustrating to use autofocus, although the autofocus is definitely not bad. I mean, it's slow, but it's steady. As I always say, it's pretty steady and reliable. I like it. So, I'm contemplating, I'm thinking which one would I get if I had the money and to get it. Either A7IV or the GH6. I'm leaning towards GH6 if it has face detection autofocus. It will fix all the problem I have with the GH5. Granted, it is not a huge problem for me because I really enjoy shooting in manual focus with the Leica 10-25 lens. You have manual focus clutch. It's so fun to shoot manual focus with that lens. And but yeah, still when you want to shoot vlog and stuff, it's kind of difficult to get a perfect autofocus, and also the dynamic range is not that great, to be honest. Like, it's so easy to overexpose the highlight. It is a little bit annoying in certain situations, especially I'm not professional. I'm not really meticulous about exposure, and I'm probably not the most skilled in terms of finding the best exposure in footage in shooting video. So yeah, but I don't know. I think a GH6, if it comes with a great autofocus in video, then it's gonna be a killer camera. It's gonna be a better video camera than the A7IV, that's for sure. And also I have a great collection of micro four thirds lenses, so that is also a huge plus. On the other hand, it is really fun to shoot with Sony as well, especially now Sony cameras after the 3rd, 4th generation. You know, they have developed great ergonomics and usability. They have joystick, they have great battery life and flip-out screen. They have everything that we've been asking for years. So yeah, I don't know, it's hard to choose between Panasonic and Sony right now. They are both great cameras for video, but yeah, I know A7IV, we have the advantage of full frame. Though I don't have a full frame collection of lenses anymore. I have only the Zeiss 24-70 f4 lens. It's a great lens, but that is it. I have only one E-mount full frame lens. That's it. So yeah, my lens collection is going to be very limited if I ever choose to go with A7IV. So I would have to spend a lot of money on new lenses, maybe. But yeah, it's so fun to shoot with the Sony full frame. I have to admit, the A7S II keeps reviving my enthusiasm for Sony full frame cameras. Yeah, and also it's gonna be great in low light, and it's gonna be a great photography camera. You have 33 megapixel sensor, is great, and yeah, everything's just awesome. But I think I'll probably go with the GH6. And I already have a ton of lenses, so yeah, probably GH6. Anyway, we've come to Aldi, the supermarket, the discount supermarket. Can you see it? Oh god, my hand's shaky because it's heavy. Camera is heavy. There's Aldi. I'm going to shopping. I'm going to buy some grocery, some food, hamburger. And bread, they have fresh bread, they have half price everything, they're so cheap, it's crazy, love it. Yeah, it's my favorite supermarket right now. Alright, see you later. Bourbon, because I've never tried it before. I heard it's the same as whiskey. Yeah, it's whiskey. Yeah, it's the same thing with a different name. Vodka and barbecue sauce and a bunch of beer, and yeah. Turn my corner.